Hello kids, this is a ABC adventure. Ready, let's go. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for flower. G is for grapes. H is for hat. I is for island. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for milk. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pig. Q is for quail. R is for robot. S is for star. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for wheel. X is for X-ray. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra. I know my ABC.